splash. Look at that big splash I made, said the little whale. The seal said, that was not big. I can jump high. I can make a big splash too. Then the seal jumped high. The seal made a big splash. The little whale said, I can't jump that high. But Mom can. Mom, will you jump out of the water? I want the seal to see you jump high. But Mom did not want to jump. Mom said, not now. I like being down in the water. The seal said, I like to jump. I will jump high up to the rocks. Then I will jump down to the water. I will make a big splash. The little whale wanted to jump as high as the seal. The little whale jumped high up. I did it, yelled the little whale. Now jump down, said the seal. But I cannot jump down, the little whale cried. Then run down, said the seal. But whales cannot run, cried the little whale. I need help. Get Mom, yelled the little whale. The seal got Mom. Mom said, I will get you down. Now I will jump high. A high jump will help you. How will it help? Asked the seal. Like this, said Mom. Then Mom got the little whale down with a big, big splash. Now let's try a quiz. Who are the two friends in this story? A dolphin and a seal. B, a little whale and a seal. Who likes being down in the water? A, seal. B, the little whale. C, Mom. Who wanted to jump as high as the seal? A, the little whale. B, Mom. Can whales run? A, they can run. B, they can't run. Who can make the biggest splash? A, seal. B, Mom. C, the little whale.